So I finally bought Bitcoin. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to this channel. So if you are a Malaysian and you're looking to invest into Bitcoin with Luno, then might as well just sign up with my code, link in the description box below. With 250 ringgit deposit, you and I will be getting 25 ringgit worth of Bitcoin as a bonus. So it's a free money, and if you guys want to go do that, feel free to use my code. So around 2 days ago, I actually deposited around 250 ringgit into Luno. I finally did it, and it took around under 12 hours to have my money reflected into my account. And then I finally bought Bitcoin with Luno with my friend's referral code, and of course you gotta pay taxes. And the tax that I paid was like, I think around $1, which was around 4 ringgit plus. It is quite pricey if you were to keep on buying and buying and buying. So for my opinion, that was pretty expensive, but I'm not gonna be buying many times. Like, I'll just deposit one lump sum of money and then I'll just leave it right there, so it wouldn't affect me as much as it affects maybe some people who would like to keep on dollar cost averaging. So here comes the question. A lot of people has been asking whether if Bitcoin is in a bubble. Well, people has been saying that Bitcoin is in a bubble since 5k US dollars, 10,000 US dollars, 15,000, 20,000, and now Bitcoin is up to around 30,000 US dollars. And I don't see that there is a bubble, in my opinion, because people have been saying that all along. Not only that, we're now seeing more and more businesses accepting Bitcoin, not only locally but internationally as well. Not to mention, big investors like Cathie Wood or JP Morgan starts to even put a price target on Bitcoin. So that explains a lot. So when we talk about online businesses that accepts other forms of payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe, these companies have to actually work with your business for you to accept the transaction. And in terms of Bitcoin, nobody is the middleman. You don't have to pay taxes, you don't have to pay for anything extra. It's strictly restricted to the consumer and the seller. Sure, I mean, the transaction is irreversible, but there are always downsides to all of the stuff. So I believe that Bitcoin is really one of the new payment gateways that more and more people will start to accept, and it will continue to grow from here on. Now, I still don't know too much about Bitcoin. Obviously, I'm still doing my research and I'm still new, as well as a lot of people out there, because Bitcoin has just been a trend lately. So I thought that I would keep you guys updated with whatever I know, and I will make an update video on that if I feel the need to do so. I don't want to keep this fake information online, so I would just slowly release videos only after I've done fact checking my own knowledge before I even pass it on to you guys. So the purpose of this video is to keep you guys updated that how good Luno is whenever you deposit your money, and how fast or whatever it is when you make a transaction through Luno. In addition to that, I received a couple of promotions, 25 ringgit worth of Bitcoin. I received like 3 or 4, thanks to you guys for signing up with my code and depositing around 250 ringgit worth of Bitcoin. And lastly, I would just like to say thank you for watching all of my videos, and if you guys want to see more of these videos, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on the next video like this. I will see you guys in the next one.